So, I forgot to do the intro. Welcome to remodeling of my home, day 3. No, it's series 1, episode 3. So with that being said, we're painting this wall that has not been painted since I moved here a year ago. So we're just gonna get started. You wanna be starting something? Anyway, I'm already tired. I only did half a wall, literally. Anyway, so I finished this wall here, all the way up. Got to figure out how to get that tape off. Then I finished up there. Just have to do a second coat. I did this here. Forgot this area right here. At some point, I'm gonna get my steps done. I don't know what I'm gonna do to them. So I finished this here. Then this tall wall up here, which would need a second coat and finish up. Then I have to paint down here. So it's done so far.